Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely massive, life-changing win on Strk. We've been following this one closely, and the price action is following my lines with solid precision. We are up an incredible plus 110% from the 0.1300 zone I gave you. This massive gain comes from the confirmation of our long-term bullish outlook. Remember, the price is moving above the 265-day range breakout. The momentum is strong, and I believe 0.340 to 0.350 is going to be seen next. This is a testament to the power of catching the market during a major accumulation phase. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.